Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to convert an image to Word document on desktop or laptop. It's an easy tutorial, so let's get into it. Please check out the link in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Once you've checked this out, how can we, convert a picture into a Word document? So I already have Microsoft Word preloaded already. It's ready to go. So just go ahead and open up your Microsoft Word and simply select the document, but in this case I'm going with a blank document, so I'm just going to open up a blank document. Once you selected a blank document, you can now head over to the insert tab, click on insert here, and then go ahead and insert pictures. Now on the drop down just underneath pictures, we have you can insert pictures from this device or from the web, so you can find and insert pictures from a variety of online sources that are compatible with Microsoft Word. So we're just going to go ahead and select from this device. So make sure the picture you'd like to convert into a Word document is on your device. If it's not, simply send it in. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and select one of these pictures here. Let's just go with one of this and then click on insert. There's another drop down here to insert a link to the file or insert and link the file as well. So we're just going to go with the standard insert feature. So click on insert and boom, we have it inserted here. And now all you need to do is just adjust the picture. Just go ahead and adjust the photo, and you can also save it as a document. So here's how you can do this. Once you've added the picture, head over to file, click on file, click on save as, and then go ahead and save on this PC. So where it says locations, select this PC and then go ahead and select any of these options. So I'm just going to go ahead and select downloads. And what are you saving it as? You can see here there's a Word document, there's PDF, there's plain text, web page, file, Word XML. We're just going to select Word document. And then all you need to do is just give it a name. And now click on save. And once it's saved, you can now easily close this, and you'd find this document in your downloads. When you open up your downloads, head over to downloads on your Explorer, you can find the document here, and if you double click on it to open up the file, boom. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Please check out the link in the description, as I said earlier, for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Leave a like and also subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you.